The development of Turkey's defense industry is once again in the spotlight. One project demonstrating continued progress is the ANKA III, an Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle, UCAV, featuring a flying wing configuration developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, TUSAŞ. This platform is designed not merely as a reconnaissance drone, but as a high-speed combat aircraft capable of carrying weaponry and executing diverse missions. According to TUSAŞ, the arm configuration of the ANKA III is designed with multiple weapon hardpoints. TUSAŞ cites a capacity of approximately 650 kilograms in each of its two internal bays, supplemented by additional capacity at wing-mounted hardpoints. This capacity offers flexibility in determining mission configurations. The ANKA III was developed to fill a different class than UAVs like the ANKA and Aksungur. TUSAŞ describes it as an aircraft for air-to-ground missions, combining speed, payload capacity, survivability, and low observability characteristics. The aircraft utilizes a tailless delta flying wing configuration. TUSAŞ states that the ANKA III utilizes a turbofan engine, enabling it to reach speeds of approximately Mach 0.7, operate at altitudes up to 40,000 feet, and achieve a flight endurance of around 10 hours. Its takeoff weight is in the 7-ton range, making it significantly larger and heavier than many conventional tactical UAVs. The most notable development in 2026 is the program's shift in focus from development to production. In January 2026, TUSAŞ CEO Mehmet Demiroglu announced that the ANKA III design had been finalized and that the company aimed to enter mass production that year. He also emphasized that prototype testing and development remain ongoing.